I'm going to discuss what should be the time duration of investment, how long you should be invested, or should have a time horizon. Does that vary with your age, with your profile, with your income levels, or is there something else that is there which can dictate? Having done my MBA from Wharton and also my chartered accountancy, we have been in general taught that any investor should be a long term investor. By long term, we mean that whenever you invest in equity markets, it should be for at least 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, right? So this should be a long range so that many cycles that come in between that can be smoothed out. You smooth out the curve. That's the basic genesis of what should be the duration of investment. But now, when I started this Art of Investing program, of all the applications I received, I found that 99.9% of the people had come with their profiles badly hit by losses. When I studied it in detail, I realized that most people have some position in futures and options. As a part of the Art of Investing course, I have one class on futures and options. And you should know, you can benefit at some stage. If you use it properly, you can benefit. But you cannot go and ad hoc just buy one put in Nifty or in State Bank of India and just, that's it, go to sleep. You can't do that. Or buy it on Microsoft or Google, and now you can invest any part of the world. But just don't buy it and then go to sleep. There is a time value of money in options. That every day that you hold an option, it loses its value because the time value is expiring in that option. Okay. So you have to understand that the time value, since it is so crucial in an option, you need to be on the alert all the time. If your bet goes wrong on any particular day, then you lose substantial value in that particular option. Safe way of investing is to invest in stocks. If the market is not working in your favor, at least you can hold a stock if you have used your own money and have not borrowed it. But even better option is if you know how the market is going to move. Like I have been teaching my people in the Art of Investing course that over the next 18 months, there are going to be several ups and downs in the market. Whichever global stock market you take, Dow Jones, Nasdaq, FTSE, German DAX, Indian Nifty, Sensex, Hang Seng, Nikkei, everywhere. So if you were to understand that when the markets will rise and when they will fall, you will benefit immensely. For example, if you take any stock which is closely linked to the S&P 500, right? You take a Google, take an Amazon. But I tell you that these are the periods where the markets will do exceedingly well and these are the periods where the markets will do exceedingly bad. And having known of the situation, you try and work the way through. Okay. So if I'm telling you a correction is around the corner, you get out of the market. And when the correction is about to get over, you once again enter. If you follow this particular strategy, irrespective, you need not bother about whether you're investing for the short, medium, or the long term. So if I'm telling you that, hey, between now and July end, the market will fall, then rise, again fall, just follow that pattern. This is scientific analysis. This is the new age, where just that old age way of investing is only short, medium. Short is getting too short. People, I'm shocked that the 99% of 9 people are coming to me with losses in the options market. Who is making them invest? I have never asked anybody to invest in the options market. I only give you a general idea of how the day, in my opinion, is going to be. Have you ever seen me that buy 9700 calls or 9800 puts? Have I ever said that in any of my presentation? There are much better ways to make money safely, soundly. That's why I say people join the Art of Investing program, because you understand scientifically. Coming back to the period of investment. So if there are so many ups and downs expected over the next 18 months, for example, then every time I tell you that the market is going to go down, if you religiously follow me, and the recoveries will also be swift. So we have entered into a new era of investing, where there will be massive changes, ups and downs that will take place. Just try and take advantage. Try and take advantage of the time duration that I tell you. So every time it falls, see a 15% fall, again that 15% is back. If you were stationary, if you are not done either buying or selling at that point of time, then you don't benefit, right? But if it is down 15%, firstly you have benefited from that 15% down. You could even short the market, and then it is going up slowly. Even if you don't do anything, let us say you just do it in cash shares, forget about shorting or going long. Just by a good rise in the market, you recover not only the 15% but an extra more. Safe investments. Safe. S&P 500, Nifty 50, Nikkei main index, proper FTSE 100, top companies, never to go down, time and tested companies, you will make good money. So that, in short, my videos in this I'm trying to tell you is that the time duration of investment is not necessarily the long term of 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, because the era has changed. The volatility level has changed in the environment. Today we have entered into a different level of different stage of investment. In this you need different expertise, friends. You don't have to just go invest, and that company may not be there after 5 years. The life is changing so fast today. You find, was Amazon doing so well 5 years back? No, but it's turned out to be a great beneficiary, in fact, of even this COVID-19 environment. So has something like Netflix. So has Zoom Video Communications. These are the new age companies. So you have to be very quick. You have to identify from the basket which are the fast growing companies in which environment. Now, for example, let's look at this environment currently, right? Gold is doing very well, for example. Let me give you one more example. But you find that consumer loan companies, right? Let us say people who have taken consumer loans, they are under some sort of a threat. So a lot of banks, NPAs are expected to go up as people find their salaries are cut, that they lose their jobs. You find that the ability to repay the money is getting less. So NPAs can go up because of that reason. However, you find that there are a lot of companies which are in this gold finance business, like Manappuram Finance, Muthoot Finance. Suddenly you see these become, people are not earning well. At the same time, they want to give their gold and take a loan against that. Now, if I take a loan against my gold, I am surely going to come back someday to get my gold back, right? Because the value of gold is rising. So these companies like Muthoot Finance, Manappuram Finance will do well. But how long? Till gold continues to do well. Tomorrow gold's value starts falling down, the story will start changing. So you have to be very nimble in today's world. You have to change between sectors, between this thing, but do it in a riskless manner or in a less risky manner, as less risky as possible, so that you learn to preserve your capital. Options and futures, naked options and futures are not the right way. I repeat it. And time and again people come back to me with these same questions, that I have invested at 100 call. I don't know who is advising. I have explained to you many times that brokerages make massive commissions. No wonder, if I sometimes go wrong, you find a lot of comments come in. These are the people sent by brokerages. Because I keep telling you guys, don't invest in these futures and options. They don't like the idea because they don't make much commission, right? So they constantly are hanging their sword behind Sunil Kevalramani. They want to find the day when I really somehow am not up to the mark, right? They're looking for that opportunity. Friends, you should be backing me up. I'm doing such an honorable work for you guys. I'm trying to protect you in every way that is possible. You should be shielding me. You should become my bodyguards. But these people make commissions. They want to make commissions, Futures and options is an excellent way of making huge commissions. And I tell you, don't do that. I'm trying to save you. Hopefully one of you guys will save me the day people come and slam me. Right? So duration has to be, just stick with me, try to understand my analysis. Please don't be impatient. There are going to be various ups and downs in the market over the next 18 to 20 months. And you will be highly benefited by just sticking to my way of investing. When the fall is about to take place, I'll tell you in advance. And when I say correction is coming, does not mean every day and every hour will fall. In general, correction is coming. Indian Nifty and Sensex were up today. What a peculiar day, right? All the world was down. Hang Seng down, Nikkei down. Right now, Europe is completely down, more than 1.5%. Dow futures are down more than 300 points. And they manipulated by operators. They brought up the Nifty and the Sensex somehow, made it close at a high level, and slam goes to Sunil Kevaramani. Sir, Nifty's, you said correction is around the corner. By correction is around the corner. People are manipulating on the options expiration date. But anyway, we'll get a handle over that as well. We are working round the clock. From today, we are going to have people work 24 hours to research in batches. We're going to nail that options expiration date as well. But in any event, invest as the flow of thought is, as the economy is flowing. When I'm telling you it's good time to sell and buy it, and then be quick, but invest in safe scripts, safe equities, safe areas, top Nifty 50 in A group companies, in S&P 500 companies, in top companies, not in penny stocks. I hope you get the message, right? Happy investing, and talk to you soon again once more. Please remember, these ideas which are there about time duration are something which are unique and to this especially applicable in this changing environment and new era of, this is what I call new era of investing. That's why I formulated this art of investing course, with the new ideas that you benefit, how over what different time horizons can be used so you benefit maximum with minimal risk, or what we call as a good risk adjusted return. Happy investing. Take care. Bye bye.